It's always been me. Giving, sustaining, healing. Everything we needed to be nourished, woven from soil to sky. I taught us that plants are powerful and elegant allies, potent enough to entrust with our very health and well-being. Over time, the world got louder, overwhelmed with stimuli and noise, and a deep seed of mistrust was planted and grew its roots far and wide. Now, so many question everything I've taught, no longer certain of what is true. We are given a pill for an ill, our inner knowing diagnosed as incorrect, and even with the boundless scientific evidence and information available to us, we can't sift the details with certainty. I plead now to be heard, to be cared for, to be believed. In a world of unknowns, this is for sure. Our relationship with truth has become too casual. What is or ought to be morally acceptable and unacceptable needs our attention in this moment, for our livelihood depends on it. I believe the path forward is to come back to me, to my roots, to where it all began, to my truth, with gratitude.
As our promise of lasting impact for generations to come, we're proud to commit 1% of our annual sales to protecting the health and safety of people and our precious planet through our partnership with 1% for the Planet.